Chinese smartphone brands are anticipated to unveil their new flagship phones in the last quarter of this year. Consequently, these upcoming models are surfaced in the databases of Chinese certification platforms. New devices from iQOO received radio certification in China. According to reports, the iQOO 13 will feature a BOE-supplied flat OLED panel with support for 2K resolution, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. iQOO 13 equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. It is also expected to feature an IP68 rated body fitted with a metal middle frame. The phone could pack a 6000 mAh battery with support for 100W wired fast charging. This design is expected to be similar to the first generation of iQOO smartphones, where a vertical light strip was embedded about 1 mm deep into the glass rear panel. The iQOO 13 will likely feature a triple rear camera unit, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 50-megapixel shooter, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support. The front camera of the handset is expected to hold a 16-megapixel sensor. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.